Hello everyone, special thank you to Mark in Navarre, Florida, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed with quality. I am the hardest working optician and therefore the most famous on the internet. But my name is See More Better, but call me Mo Better, because I'm maybe seeing Mo Better, look at Mo Better, and show everyone else how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses when I show you Mark's. Now, there's only one frame that could possibly come in a box like this. It is the Ray-Ban 4105, the Folding Wayfarer. Now, this frame comes in two sizes, a 50 and 54. Comes in about 7 or 8 colors. We only have about 4 or 5 on the website, so if there's a color you want that's not on the website, just message us and we'll get it on there. They sell for about $163 to $176, depending on the color that you want. The cute, adorable case that this comes in. Look at that. The only thing I would do differently is if anyone's old school enough, actually they're getting these as reading glasses. So you remember the old beepers from the 80s? They need a belt clip on here that clips onto your belt. That would be the best thing for this case. Now, of course, these come with the Ray-Ban cleaning cloth. And Jigsaw, my web developer, accidentally ordered you the polarized version of this frame. That's what you'll be receiving, the original polarized lenses and the frame that I just love. Now, whenever you open these, you have to use the old school sound, martial arts sound effects. Whoopsh, 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 whoopsh. That's, that's pretty much official. You have to make that sound when opening things up. Whoopsh, 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 whoopsh. But I digress. But Mark got these as just 1.25 reading glasses, which is fine. I can do these in any prescription that you want. Single vision, line style 5, bifocal, progressive, polarized sunglasses, mirrored sunglasses, whatever you want. Transitions with the flash mirrors. But I went ahead and upgraded Mark. These had just come out. These, instead of just regular clear lenses, I upgraded him to the Zeiss Blue Guard. So these now protect against the blue light protection. Especially since these are reading glasses, chances are they'll be used on some type of electronic device. Although some people still read real books versus the Kindle versus iPads versus tablets versus any other way you can read, your phone, computer, PC, laptops. But, or if full disclosure, I use a Chromebook. That makes Jigsaw just uncomfortable. He's an eye person, and for me to use a Chromebook, hey, I'm okay with it. But yeah, so that's a nice thing. So these are now available as stock lenses, the Blue Guard. You can get Blue Guard with DuraVision Platinum. So far, that is the only anti-glare coating you can get with the Blue Guard protection. The Blue Protect, which offers the same amount of protection, has a lavender purplish hue to it. So now you don't have to worry about that. Some men just didn't like that purplish hue to the reflection of the lens with the Blue Protect. So now these are, clear without any anti-glare. But if you do want an anti-glare coating on there for nighttime driving or anything else, if you have astigmatism, again, Mark got these as just plus 1.25, just like the coolest pair of over-the-counter reading glasses possible. But you can actually get them with DuraVision Platinum anti-glare coating too. But you're going to receive all the original packaging from Zeiss as well as from Ray-Ban. You're going to get my premium microfiber cleaning cloth. You're going to get instructions on not only how to care for your frame and lenses so they last you for years, but both cleaning cloths that will come with it. I'm also going to send out a selfie request. Mark, I'd love to have a selfie of these on the website, or you just holding them when they're folded up like this. You can send me a picture of these too, just a selfie like that. You can even see the Folding Wayfarer sign through the lens. So that's that. If you have any questions, well, I'll have a link in the description below to this frame and at the end. But if you have any questions, go to the Contact Us page of the website. You can email us directly at freeprescriptionlenses@gmail.com. If you'd like to speak to a live operator, call Jigsaw, my web developer, at 919-491-2411. He speaks several languages. If you want to text in English only, I answer the text messages. He answers the phone calls. You can also leave a question or comment in the comment section below. But Mark in Navarre, Florida, thank you so much for the purchase of the Ray-Ban 4105 Folding Wayfarers in the classic shiny black and the 50 eye size with your plus 1.25 reading lenses that I upgraded you to the Zeiss Blue Protect. Just because they were available, I wanted everyone to see them and know that they are available. So again, hit us up if you want the Blue Guard. We don't have those on the website yet. But click on the link above that'll take you to the website to see this frame and all the colors and sizes that we have listed currently. And now hopefully everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.